Hey, how's it going? This is Race Tuning and we sell parts. Today we're going to install the Z-Automotive front camera for the Wrangler JL. We have the camera kit on our website for $179. The Taser Mini is $329, which is required to use the camera. That programs the body control module. If you buy them both, you get a package deal with $30 off. And we do free 2-day FedEx shipping. If you order it on a Wednesday, you'll get it by Friday, so you have it for the weekend. All right, so we're ready to cut out the grill. They cut out this little section, so that's gonna be these 4 cuts. By the way, this piece is replaceable. You can get it at the Jeep dealer for like 15 bucks if you screw up the cut, so there's nothing to worry about. We have to remove these 2 bezels. Supposed to use those plastic trim remover tools, but I let my buddy borrow them, so I'm gonna use this gasket scraper and just wrap a rag around it. Should work fine. Okay, no scratches or anything. All right, so the instructions say to run the wiring harness through this plug right here. The plug wouldn't be there if you had a manual transmission. You're gonna need some pliers like these. You have to pull this plastic plug. Great, it just broke the piece. Well, I guess I ain't taking that out. The pliers broke the 2 tangs off the plastic plug, so you're gonna have to get a new one at the dealer if I'm gonna pull that one out. I think I'll just install it through the other side. I'm actually gonna run the wiring through the passenger side, show you out front. Or this Jeep, we've already replaced the factory halogen headlights with these LED headlights. That was our last video. I'm just more familiar with taking off the right fender, and the grommet over there is already cut when I ran the wiring inside. So I'm gonna run the wiring for the camera down the passenger side instead. You have 6 of these plastic clips holding the grill. I'm just taking the last one off right now. Pull your grill forward. I'm gonna see how this camera fits. You get the 2 top tabs right here, and then the bottom one goes in last, and I think it's in there good. I'm just gonna pull the tire and the inner fender well to access the grommet on the firewall. You have a few 10mm bolts, a few plastic clips. I have new ones for this, so I'm just gonna cut them off. Come on. So I just grab a center punch like this. Takes the center out. There you go. There we go. Tools, cap, parts. Had a little high spot in the rivet. Grommet is way up there. Way up there. Like right there where the wiring harness goes in. There you go. Should be just some clips holding it now. Now we need to pull the radio too. So we're gonna get the wiring harness, and then here's the plug that has to come out back here, right there, and pin the wiring harness into the plug. Meet you then. All right, so we're gonna take the radio connector off. I hit this like that and it released it. This is a 2018 JL, so we're gonna put the yellow in pin 24, the black in pin 25. Then if you have a 2020, it's different. And some 19s had the same as a 2020 pinout. If you look close, you have a number 10 there and a number 20. 24 would be the 4th one up, and 25 would be the 5th one up. Let's release this thing on the front. There we go. There. All right, that'll allow you to pop the connector in. One man job here. Boom, there we go. All right, so we have our RCA connector sticking out the bottom now. Reinstalling the GPS radio assembly. Now we're gonna run the wires. Okay, so we installed the Mopar upgraded LED headlights about a year ago, and this is the wiring harness that had to run through the firewall grommet. So I'm going to slice this opening a little bit bigger and then run the camera wiring right next to the LED light wiring. Then we'll silicone the hole back together so it won't leak water. Underneath on the left side of the glove box, there's an opening that goes from here all the way up to here. So I'm going to get like a hanger or a stick or something, push it down there and tape the wiring and pull it up over here so we can plug it into the RCA jack. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out our other JL installation videos.